Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to turn off announce voice calls on Truecaller. Right, so if you want to stop Truecaller from announcing your voice call, this video is for you. So let's get started with the process. First step you have to take guys is of course open your Truecaller app and make sure you are logged in. Right, so once you're logged in, if you look at the top right corner, you'll notice the three dots right there. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you are going to see these settings option right here. So all you have to do is to click on the settings option, and then you get all these options right here. Just go ahead and select the calls option. All right, so once you click on that, from here you just have to scroll all the way down, and you are going to notice where it says announce voice calls. All right, so I'm searching for that right now. All right, so here it is, announce phone calls right here, and as you can see, it's turned on over here. It's turned on. So if I want to turn it off, I will just have to click on the toggle button and it will be turned off just like this. So once you do this, your voice calls will not be announced on the app. Right, so that's it guys on how you can turn off voice calls on the Truecaller app. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.